I know you guys are used to these big YouTubers that, you know, have these nice things and nice garages and whatnot, but this is what it is. This is my garage, guys. So here's the video. Here's the build series that I've been talking about. So as you can see, I've already got my seat cover. I've already redid the seat cover to match the new graphics. So yeah, this is my 450L. So basically what I did was I bought some plastics for the 2019 CRF 450RX, and they don't actually fit perfectly. So this front section, the shroud section, that fits fine. It's this section here with this piece, the rear fender, this side, and this piece that don't fit perfectly. The front fender fits fine, and of course the headlight shroud or whatever is different. So here's the plastics that I got, all white, and I've got some graphics to put over them. It'll look good when I'm done. I've got a full system Yoshimura exhaust, head pipe, muffler, Vortex ECU for tuning. I'm gonna do the emissions delete stuff, the air injection solenoid. I've got my MOTO wheels I'm gonna put on. Oh, and I'm gonna get rid of all this stuff, this big funky hang down shit. But anyway, I think it'll look good because when it's done, it won't look like any other 450L you've probably seen before as far as the graphics go and the colors and stuff. It will look good, it'll look different, something different from everything else everyone else has done. So what I'm doing right now is, now that I've trimmed them to fit, I trimmed them down to where they look like these ones do. And so I'm gonna throw them on and make sure everything lines up correctly before I put the graphics on. Because right now, you know, there's no graphics on any of this stuff. It's just a plain white plastics. If you look at these, right here it says made in Italy, whatever, CRF 450RX. Okay, that one says it's for the RX. You look at this one, it says CRF 450R. Most of these plastics say that they're for the CRF 450R. Only a couple of them say that they're for the X or the RX. Even though Revzilla, I bought them on Revzilla, the website lists them as the RX plastics, but it is what it is. So like I said, right now I'm throwing everything on to make sure that it fits correctly, and we're gonna go from there. Overall, yeah, so this is how the bike's looking now with no graphics. So now everything that's white is the CRF 450R or RX plastics, except for this panel here and this panel here. Those are the factory plastics because they just fit better, because, you know, obviously the 450R has the dual exhaust or whatever, and this one only has the single, so one sticks out further. So see, it'll still cover the electronics, all good. And this rear fender is the aftermarket one. I had to cut it down. All right, so here's where we're at. Plastics are trimmed. Everything's gonna go on the way it should. We just probably spent, I don't know, maybe 2-3 hours on wiring in this stupid little $12 Amazon tail light, because I didn't bring a wiring diagram, and so we were just guessing at what's ground, what's what. Guess what, guys? The shit works. Here you go. You can film this. We got the tail light, brake light. It's not that cool. Anyway, I think right now I'm gonna try to throw on the exhaust, the ECU, and then we're gonna do the wheels. Okay, here's the big dumper pipe that weighs 600 pounds, and we still got to do the head pipe.